What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're in East LA today and trying something new. There's a La Vida ride that we're here for. And I think I saw around maybe 10 people, something like that. The meetup ride is here at SoCal Burgers, which I got to try, which is pretty good. So the bikers are here, I guess, and then some electric skateboards are here, some scooters, an EUC. Hello. How's it going?
I'm good.
Julian, what's your name?
I'm Joey or Joseph.
Oh, cool.
What do you want to call it?
You're the one leading the ride then, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, me and my dad. My dad is gonna be the one leading. I'm just gonna be kind of in the middle.
Okay.
And like telling you guys when to turn.
All right.
Damn, I almost forgot.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks, Joey. Father-son ride going on today. It's only about 15 miles, and yeah, it's around East LA, so haven't really ridden in East LA so much, so something new for sure. This is the Revv1 Ride1up full suspension. Still new in the collection, still testing out the corks and stuff. Has a lot of stickers on it, but I'm gonna remove it soon, make it look a little cleaner. Obviously I just got it. It already has like 1,100 miles, but I got a good deal on it. This is the first bike that I bought in 2024. I'm thinking of upgrading it, maybe not. I'm not so sure. But I kind of like it the way it is already, just as is. I'm not a fan at how much movement the storage rack has. It seems very flimsy. Wish there's a way to further secure this more, because I don't know. I like the look, but functionality is sounds like it's, on the bumpy roads, it's not very secure. Alright, we're rolling out. There's about 15 to 20 of us. 2 surrons. 1 Onyx City.
Go with the car.
Some one wheels. A DIY mountain bike. Here we go. Trying to get out of the parking lot. Let's get it. No, it looks like a regular Volcon brat, but really blacked out. I really like his wheel covers. Should ask him where he got it. It doesn't look like he did anything in terms of voltage on it yet, but I really like his wheels. Those wheel covers. It's like the blur boundary. Alright, let's punch it. Let's punch it a little bit. It's supposed to be a 15 to 20 mile per hour ride today. So very leisure ride, if anything. I'm gonna try to get out in this fast lane. Stay in the middle of the group. East LA, guys. Dense. Hardly any parking. 4 churches in 1 street. Lots of stop signs. Lots of German Shepherds. Lots of wall art, all that stuff. If you've never been, that's what it is. And also, like, elotes in every corner. Probably. Alright, where are we at now? Cross into El Sereno, maybe? I'm not too familiar with these streets, but I think we're heading towards... Oh, okay. Up a hill. Alright, some people are going up the hill. Come on, Revv1. This Revv1 is not that strong up the hill. But it was worth trying. Also, it gets a little creaky. I gotta figure out that creak. I think that creak comes from the rear suspensions. Alright, Joey, I followed you. Followed you up that hill. Unnecessary hill. Makes me kind of want to overvolt this motor, probably to 60 volts. What do you guys think? I don't think it could handle 72 volts. And we're talking about the stock motor, by the way. What street is this? City Terrace Drive. Multnomah and Gateside. This is the optional off-road that they meant. Ascot Hills Park. I think this is more like a hiking kind of, hiking trails for the most part. Alright, off-road people gets to go to off-roading.
Whoever doesn't want to go up the hill, it's a slight grade. It's not
too gnarly, they said. Ascot Hills Park. Let's go. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad so far. And we're getting some nice views already. Ooh, look at that, downtown LA. Just gonna watch the cracks. Let's chill up the hill. Oh. At slow speeds, the Revv1 is okay uphill. Like as long as it's like under 16 miles per hour, it's alright. Not too bad. Whew, look at this single track. It looks nice. It's like a steep drop, I think. Spiking trails for sure. Gnarly ones. Alright, the fun downhill part. You don't need battery though. It's all downhill, yeah.
You gotta let it roll.
Yeah. All brakes. All gravity. Going downhill on Ascot Hills Park. I'll jump this. Some people are gonna try to jump that. Woo! Some nice jumps here, actually. Alright, we spent about half an hour here. I gotta say though, these lights at 120 lumen for their specs online is actually pretty bright. Whatever they did, use magnifying glass or mirror or whatever it is, it's pretty good bright. Stock. Like, everything about this bike seems like pretty well built already. I don't really want to change it so much. I probably want to get a thumb throttle. I feel like this is a thumb throttle kind of motorbike more than a twist throttle. I like what you did with your brat. It's nice. Where'd you get your motor covers, the wheel covers? Where?
Drogue.
Oh, Drogue. Cool. I'll check it out. Cool, man. Alright, guys, are we going? Drogue wheel covers. I gotta Google that. Because the blur boundary wheel covers are way too much. Yep, we're just waiting for people to catch up. I think you dropped something.
Yeah, it was just about a part of my mask.
Okay.
It's already broken.
Okay.
So I'm not tripping.
Alrighty.
Good looking out. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you got no worries.
It's not working, yeah.
Right.
It's already broken.
You got it. I was able to test this bike earlier, full throttle. Went about 35 miles per hour. That was pretty good. All right. I'm in East LA College. It's a Saturday evening. This place is empty. Some stairs? Okay, some stairs. Well, first for everything, albeit only 3 steps. Oh, this is where everyone's at. I hear crowds of cheering. Oh, here we go. Here's the parking. Wow, blind spot. Ten-minute break. Heading back to the original spot, SoCal Burgers. Not too far away. That's gonna be in tonight's E-Bike Night Adventure PEV La Vida ride in East LA. Hopefully more of these during the warm weathers. But that's gonna be in tonight's vlog. Thank you for tuning in. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Get it, no hands. Woo-hoo-hoo.